Hi, this is Anthony Colaluca with Makino's EDM Applications Department. Today I'm going to go over how to change out a resin tank on our UX series machines. So, first step, we want to come to the control, go to the others page, and hit our ion off button. Next, we can walk around to the back of the machine. So, now that we've turned off the ion at the front of the machine, we're back at the resin tank back here. There's a few things we're going to need. We have this attachment that should have came with all of our Wire EDM Makino machines. We're going to use this to purge out our old resin and then change out to our new resin right here. So I'm going to pop the pins off. It's just a simple, quick disconnect. Do be careful. This might contain just a little bit of water still in the line, so might just have a mat ready just in case. Now with that off, we're gonna put on our attachment here. So I just push it on. If I close these two levers, bam, ready to go. Now I'm just gonna take some compressed air, purge all the water out of the resin tank so it's not as heavy, right? Now, usually I'll do this until I see some bubbles coming out of the line on the outside here. So now I'm seeing a ton of bubbles. All the water's flowing back to the clean tank. I would say a good amount of time, purge it for a good 30-45 seconds just to make sure all the water's out. I have a lot of customers that modify the attachment to add a compressed air nozzle. So we can simply here pop off our air gun, connect it to the attachment, and then instead of holding the air gun right here and purging our tank, we can simply just move this lever and it's going to send compressed air right through the resin. Now with that done, we can pop this side off. Take our new resin tank. Now this is much lighter. Take off our connections. Now, something that a lot of people don't know is you can do this while the machine's actually running. Fun tip. If you're ever running a job overnight or, the machine's yelling at you, say, hey, change your resin, and you're in the middle of a job, you can just turn that ion off button on, come back here, do this, and not interrupt machining at all. So, now with our new resin tank in, I'm simply gonna put our pins back in, safety pins. So now that we've changed our resin tank out, we can come back up to the front of the control, turn our ion back on, and we're done. That has been changing out resin on a Makino UX series machine.